Hello friends, welcome to my channel Helping Hands. Today I will tell you about switch case. So let's start. So our topic is switch case. It is a multiple branching statement. The case whose value matches with the switch value is executed. If no case value matches with the switch value, then default is executed. So friends, here it is written that it is a multiple branching statement. It means that you can get many answers to your questions, as you can give many options and select only one of them by giving the suitable example. Then I will give you an example and show how it works. Now my example is switch ch, then case 0. See friends, here I am writing ch means characters. When we put the value of the when we write any character, then the Java compiler takes is its ASCII code. So if suppose I have given here any number whose ASCII code is 0, then that would be matched and according to that answer would come. Then I will let system dot out dot println. Then here I will give it false. Then break. This break statement is compulsory to give in each case. If you will not give it, then the default value, I will write it down, then default value along with this value will be executed, and this case in Java is known as fall through in switch case. I will tell you about this and tell you about its definition in later videos. Then I am giving then case 1. Then here also I am going to print so that you can get a correct answer in your output screen. System.out.println. I am giving here true. Then break, as I have already said that in each case you have the statement this break and semicolon is very compulsory, it is a must. Then default. Then here also, then system dot out dot println. Then here I will write wrong choice, or you can give any statement as you wish, wrong choice or wrong answer or no answer, you can give anything. For my convenience I am giving here wrong choice, so it will be easy for me to understand. Then bracket close. So friends, here I have given you a condition, means through this you can make a program, but it is only a condition, only a part of coding, and through some examples or some input values I am going to tell you about that. Now in friends, this one, the first case, if I will take here, suppose ch is equal to 1, then when here ch will take a value 1, then it will check case 0. This should match with this. As I have given here 1 and here it is 0, it does not match, so it will not be printed. Then we, as you have put it here break, so the cursor will go on to this the cursor will not go on to this program because it does not matches the value. Then it will take the another value, that is case 1. In the case 1 you can see that 1 and 1 here do both matches, so it this condition will be printed, system dot out dot println true. Then here output will be true. And as we have put here break statement, so without going to this, it will terminate the program or terminate this loop, switch loop. Then I am taking second example, as suppose if I will give another example, as suppose ch double equal to 0, then here in the first case only it will match, and here output would be false. Remember in mind that the statement which you have given here in these two quotations will only be printed here. If I will give here at the place of 0, at the place of false, if I give here 0, then here 0 will only be printed. Then the third case I am giving here, as I am writing here only so you can understand here only, not I am writing on the next page. Then here suppose I am giving if ch is equal to 5, so this value goes here, and here if I match ch is equal to 5, it does not match with this, it does not match with this even. And but as this bolt does not match, then it will automatically go to default, and in the default it is given that system.out.println wrong choice, so here output would be wrong choice. Now friends, you have understood the importance of this break statement. As suppose in this one, if you would have only given 1 and here by mistake you have forgotten to give break, here true will print, as with that default will also print as true and wrong choice. So it will, I will tell you about that in the later video, don't worry. So friends, in the next video I will tell you about fall through in switch case. So if you liked my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.